Hello friends, in this I am going to give you some brief introduction about knapsack crypto system and how to solve its example. So in this you will be given a super increasing tuple which is B. So the number is 7, 11, 19, 39, 79, 157 and 313. You will be given N as 900 and R as 37, and this is a permutation table 4253176. Now you have to calculate T over here. So the formula for T is R into Bi mod N. So this will be B1, B2, B3, B4 till B7. So T1 will be equal to 37 into 7 mod 900. So 37 into 7 mod 900. For T2 it will be 37 into 11 mod 900. For T3 37 into 19 mod 900. For T4 37 into 39 mod 900. For T5 37 into 79 mod 900. T6 37 into 157 mod 900. For T7 37 into 313 on 900. Now calculate this value and find the mode value. For the first one is 259. For second one 37 into 11 mod 900 is 407. For 37 into 19 mod 900 is 703. 37 into 39 mod 900 is 223. 37 into 79 mod 900 is 223. Sorry. For here it's 37 into 39 mod 900 is 543 and here is 223. 37 into 157 mod 900 is 409. 37 into 313 mod 900 is 781. Okay, so now you have to write this in a array form. T will be equal to 259, 407, 703, 543, 223, 409 and 781. So now you have to give here number as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now as you can see this permutation table over here 42531, you have to arrange this value in the form of permutation table will be equal to A. You can give any name. So this will be first 4, so is 543, second is 407, third is 223, third one is 703. Now first 259, 7 number 781 and 6409. Now this is the value of A, and you will be given some value. You have to find the encryption and decryption of some value. So I'll be taking value for G over here. So now write the ASCII value of G. So ASCII value of G is 103, and in the binary form it will be 1100111. So as you can see, 6432 421 is 103. Now let's move on and solve the value of S. So S will be equal to, you have to add all the 1 2, you can take this as a first bit, this one, second bit, this one, and 0 0 1 1 1. Whichever the value is 1, you have to add those value over here. So first is 1, so you have to add 543, second 407, third 0 0, so you don't have to add over here. Now 259 and all the remaining one, because all are 1 here, so 781 plus 409. So its summation is 543 plus 407 plus 259 plus 781 plus 407 is 2399. Okay. Now this is encryption is done over here. So you have to find the S value as 2399. Now we'll move on to decryption part. Now you have completed this encryption portion. Now we'll move on to decryption portion. So for decryption portion, you have to find S dash. Its formula is S into R inverse mod N. So S over here is 2399, and R inverse we have to find. So R inverse will be 37 inverse mod 900, so which will be 73. Find it by yourself. I have teach you in Euler theorem, inverse Euler theorem, so you'll get this. So it will be 73 mod 900. So the value of this will be 73 into 2399 mod 900 will be 527. So S dash value. Now you got the S dash value. You have to form one table over here. S value is 2399. G is 103. Its value is 11000111. Okay, so now let's form one table. You have to write over here as I, BI, over here S dash. S dash should be greater than BI, and XI, and just calculate over here S dash. XI, BI and XI. So this is one table form. Okay, so you have to write this in a reverse form: 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. Okay, so what's the BI over 7? This is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So write this in the reverse form: 313 157 79 39 19 11 and 7. S dash value is 527. Over here you have to check S dash is greater than BI or not. Okay, so if it's greater, then you have to write true and input value xi into 1. So this value is true because this h dash is greater than bi. You have to write 1 over here, so which will be h dash is new will be 520 minus bi 313, which will be, I guess, 214. Okay, alright, 214. So now you have to write this 214 in this one, 214. So in this one, 157, you have to check this again. So I guess it's true because you can see that 214 is greater than 157. So you have to write 1 over here, h dash 214 minus 157 into xi, so 1. So this will be 7, 67, 57. Okay, just copy that h dash over here. Now this one will be false because as here bi is greater, so input value 0, and copy this 57 down. Here h dash is greater, so here value is true, so 1. H dash new is 57 minus 39, so which will be 17, 8, 18, 18. So this value is false because bi is greater over here, so 0, 18. This one is true, so keep over here 1, and 18 minus 11 will be 7. So this h dash copy over here 7. 7 minus 7 both are equal, so you have to again write true over here. So this will be 1, and nothing over here. You have got xi as 1 1 0 1 0 0 1 1. You have to write this in a reverse order, so which will be 1 1 0 1 0 1 1. Okay, this is your xi. Now compare this with permutation table and give this number over here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So now compare this with the permutation table and write over here. So will be 1 1 0 0 1 1 1. As you can see, you have done successful decryption over here. This value is 103. You can see over there 103, and its value is 0. So first portion was encryption and this portion is decryption part. So you got successful value over here. So this is basic idea about how to solve NACSEP crypto system problems. Thank you.